Hello everyone, I will come here to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Android Studio on a Windows operating system. So let's begin. Now to install Android Studio on a Windows operating system, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser and in the address bar just simply search with Android Studio download, then enter. And then the first one is add, so you can skip the first one. And if you just simply scroll down a bit, you'll be getting this developer.android.com, right? So just simply click on this download Android Studio and SDK Tools, and it will going to redirect you to this official site of Android Studio. And here under this download tab, you'll be seeing that our Android Studio is available for download. See, we have a download button, right? And the latest version is 2020.3.1, right? And it's for Windows 64-bit. And see, the file size is 914 MB. So just simply click on this download Android Studio, and it will going to open this pop-up. So here we have terms and conditions. So just simply scroll down, and I'll be just simply checking this. I have read this terms and conditions, and then just simply going to click on this download Android Studio, and what it will do is it will going to start downloading our Android Studio. So since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it, and if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, we can see the latest version of Android Studio, that is Android Studio 2020.3.1.26 has already been downloaded over here. So just simply double click on it to start installing our Android Studio, and you will be seeing that our setup is currently loading. So it is currently verifying the installer, and it will going to ask you for administrative privileges. So for that, just simply click on yes, and you'll be saying this welcome to Android Studio setup wizard. So let us first minimize our download directory so that we can have a better visibility. So welcome to Android Studio setup. So just simply click on next, and they going to ask you whether you'd like to install Android virtual device. Now I'll be recommending you to uncheck this Android virtual device. See, after unchecking it, our space required size is diminished by about 1 GB. So if you check this, you can see it is 2.5 GB, and if you uncheck this, it is just 1.5 GB. So why I am telling you to uncheck this Android virtual device is because I am assuming that you are already using an Android device, right? We mostly use Android devices. So what you can do is you can test your Android app right at your Android device only. I am going to show you that, right? So you can use your mobile only for testing your app. So you don't need any virtual device to test. So I'll recommending you to uncheck this. So it also unnecessarily takes lot of data and also lot of space in your system. But it's totally depend upon you. If you want to use virtual device, then also you can use, but I'll be just unchecking that, and then I'll just simply click on next. And this is going to be our installation destinations, that is the C program files, Android/Android Studio. So they're going to create these folders. If you want to change, you can always do that by just simply clicking on browse, but I'll be keeping this as a default, and then just simply click on next. And you can see this Android Studio folder they're going to be create. So keep this default, then just simply click on install, and what it will do is it will going to start installing our Android Studio. So this will take a couple of minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back right after installing our Android Studio. Yeah, so welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our installation of Android Studio is rightly completed. So just simply click on next, and see completing our Android Studio setup. So they have also checked our Android Studio. So just simply click on finish, and it will going to start launching our Android Studio. And see, our Android Studio has rightly launched. But before that, it will going to ask you whether you'd like to configure or installation directory, or you do not want to import any settings. So since I have previously not installed Android Studio on this system, I'd like to just simply click on do not import any settings, and then just simply click on OK. And you'll be seeing our Android Studio Arctic Fox 2020.3.1 has started launching. So they have created a very beautiful logo, you can say, and they have also started downloading. But before that, they are asking whether you'd like to enable this data sharing. So right now I don't want to send any usage statistics to Google, so I'll just simply click on don't send, but you can also click on send, totally depend upon you. And our welcome to Android Studio window has rightly opened over here. So let us first maximize our screen, right? And here just simply click on next, and here it is asking to choose the type of setup that you want in Android Studio. So you can choose standard or custom installation. I'll be recommending you to choose custom installation, right? And I'll tell you why. So just simply check this custom installation and then just simply click on next. And see, it is asking to select our Java development kit. So here our Java development kit, that is Java Runtime GRE, is they're going to be create. So just simply keep this default, then just simply click on next. And now it is asking which theme you'd like to choose. I generally code at night, so this black and white theme or black and color, you can say, theme suits me, so I'll choose a Dracula. But you can also choose light, so you can see that it is more bright, so it's slightly difficult to work at night, but you can choose if you want. I'll choose a Dracula and then just simply click on next. And here it is telling to check the components you want to update and install. So here they have already checked Android SDK 395 MB, which is totally good. And they have also checked our API, latest API, that is API 32. And they have also checked this performance Android emulator. So do also check this. So basically you need to keep these all default. But as I have told earlier, I'm not going to check this Android virtual device because I'm going to use my smartphone only, which is an Android phone. So if you have Android phone, then you don't need to check this. You can just test it locally. So see, our download size is 512 MB, right? So just simply click on next. And see, our installation is ready to be installed. So just simply click on next, and they're going to be installed these files and folders. So this Android emulator, then this SDK and all those stuff. So just simply click on finish, and it will going to start downloading. So this downloading and then installing at the back end will take about, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes. So you can grab some coffee and you can again come back. I'll be also doing the same. Yeah. So we'll come back. And now you can see that our download is rightly completed and our finish button is enabled. So just simply click on finish, and it will going to launch our Android Studio. So welcome to Android Studio. So just simply maximize it, and here we have these projects, customize plugin and learn Android Studio options are there. And from here we can create a new project, or we can also open any existing project, and also we can connect with our VCS, that is basically the version control systems and all. But now I'm going to choose just simply click on this new project. So I'm going to create a hello world program. So here you can choose like any activity. I'll choose empty activity, and then just simply click on next. And from here you need to give your project name. So I'm going to give just hello world project name, just hello world. And language you can choose. I'm going to choose Java, and minimum SDK version is API 21, which is totally fine. So see, it will be available for about 98% of the devices. So that's a lot of devices. You can choose other API versions as well. Like it totally depend upon you and your project. Especially I'm going to choose this Lollipop version, which is a bit old, but what it will do is it will going to support older Android phones as well, right? So I'm going to choose that, and keep other thing as a default, and then just simply click on finish. And what it will do is it will going to start creating our project. See, it is preparing our workspace, and it is currently indexing all dependencies, right? So you can maximize it, and see our project has rightly opened. But in the bottom you can see that they are currently downloading Gradled. So it's just 112 MB, so that also need to be downloaded. so it will again take some time, and also you need to have internet connection as well, right? And you can see that our Gradle has rightly built it. So this take some time. It took about 15 minutes to probably download Gradle and then building and configuring everything. So after 15 minutes I have actually come back and our project has rightly opened over here. So you can just simply minimize this artifacts, and you can just simply drag it so that we can have a proper coding area. And you can see that our main activity has rightly opened, and our the backend part, that is this XML part where it will be showing this hello world, has rightly also shown over here. So here you can click on code section, so you can change your text, this Android text attribute. You can change it to hello Geeky script, right? And if you come back to our design section, you can see that it is changed to hello Geeky script, right? So when we'll be running this app in the mobile application, you will be also going to see the same, this hello Geeky script message. So let's switch to our main application. So this is our main application. So from here our art.layout.activity main, so that is this activity underscore main is actually going to be launched. So just simply do this much and then connect your phone with our laptop. So you must be having a USB cable. So just simply attach your USB with your phone and your laptop or desktop that you are using. I'm going to connect the same, and I have connected it, and you can see it has rightly connected. So just simply click on this allow access, and now you need to also enable your developer mode. So for that, just simply click on these settings, and here just simply scroll to bottom, and then you'll be seeing this about phone. So just simply click on that, and here you'll be seeing this software information. So just simply click on that, and it will going to open this page. So here you'll be seeing one build option, right? This build number, see? So you need to just simply click on this build number again and again, and you'll be seeing this confirm pattern. So you need to provide your password, and see our developer mode has been turned on. So just simply land over here, and then just simply click on this build number again and again about 4 to 5 times, and it will going to ask you for your confirmation of your password, whether you actually really want to enable the developer mode. So after giving access, it will going to give you our developer mode. So now if you just simply back, and here if you scroll down, you'll be seeing this developer option. See, we have a developer option added over here. So just simply click on that, and here you need to scroll down, and you need to check this USB debugging, and here just simply allow USB debugging by just simply clicking on OK. So we need to also enable USB debugging, right? So we want to debug our program, our app basically again and again, right? So do that much only. Then just simply go back to our home screen, right? And now coming back to our program, so in our Android Studio, so just simply click on this drop down. And here on your phone, it will going to ask you to, allow USB debugging. So just simply check this, and then just simply click on allow. And what it will do is, it will going to select our phone over here. See, our Samsung phone has rightly selected over here, right? So only after allowing to USB debugging, it will going to give access over here. See, it has given access. Now you need to just simply click on this run button, and what it will do is, it will going to start building our app. But it is showing some error, so it failed to install the following Android SDK packages as some of the license has not been accepted. So for that, just simply click on file, then settings, and here under appearance and behavior, just simply click on this drop down, and you will be getting that so many options are here. From here, just simply select the system settings, and you will be getting this window. Just simply click on this drop down, and here just simply select Android SDK, and then just simply switch to SDK Tools, and then just simply check this Android SDK command line tools. This is very important to install our Android SDK command line tools, and then just simply click on OK, and it will show you that they are going to download about 104.6 MB from internet. So do check that. Just simply click on OK, and this is our license agreement. So just simply accept these SDK command line tools, then just simply click on next, and it will going to start downloading our SDK command line tools. This is very important to install our SDK command line tools. So I am going to also show you why we are actually downloading this. So after downloading and installing, I'll be again coming back. So you can see it has rightly installed. So just simply click on finish, and now you need to click on this location, and you can see that we are currently in SDK location. Here we'll be seeing this command line tools. So just simply go inside that folder, and then just simply click on latest, and then bin folder, and here you'll be seeing that you have so many files. From here you'll be seeing this SDK manager over here. So this is what we are going to use. So for that you need to just simply click on this address bar, and then just simply type cmd, then enter, and you'll be getting our command prompt tightly open on this location. Right, so here you need to just simply type SDK manager, then space -- licenses, then enter, and you can see it is currently fetching. So just simply type Y to accept it, and again type Y to accept it, again Y to accept all license agreement. Right, just simply keep on accepting, and see all SDK packages license are accepted. So minimize our command prompt and our window as well. And now if you just simply click on this run button, you will be seeing that it has rightly started building and running. So it will take some time to build, maybe a minute or two. So after that it will going to launch our Hello World app on our phone. See, it has built it successfully, and on our phone Hello Geeky script has rightly shown over here. Right, so if you just simply change this Hello Geeky script to, let's say, first go to your code section, and you just simply change it to just Geeky script, let's say, and if you again first stop the app, and if you again click on this run button, what it will do is it will again start building, and then it will be much quicker now because it has already built it earlier. So only just one change, so it will again going to build, and it will again going to launch our app, and see Geeky script has rightly shown in our Android phone. Right, so in this way you can easily install the latest version of Android Studio on your Windows operating system. I have rightly shown you how to install Android Studio and how to resolve that small issue that generally all of my subscribers were used to get. So that issue also I have resolved, and I have also installed a simple Hello World app on our Android phone. Right, so I have also showed you that how to enable developer mode, how to use our Android phone only for testing our Android app. So that's basically all about this video. Please do share with your friends, and also please do subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.